Securing high-value products in the retail setting is a tricky proposal. You can't encumber the customer with anything bulky getting in the way of their experience with each individual device, but at the same time, you have to keep people honest and not walk off with very, very expensive material. I'm speaking to Jeff Grant, who is the director for innovation for the company. Jeff, it's a paradox. How do you go about securing these products without disrupting the experience of the shopper?
You know, our objective here is to increase the profitability of the retailers and customers that we serve. So the way we accomplish that is by focusing on design, quality, ease of use, and security, of course.
And how is InVue specifically responding with its products portfolio?
Well, we have to do a lot of focus on elegant designs, things that match both the merchandise on display as well as the store environment. We're trying to create things that have a very low impact to both associate use as well as the consumer use that's an honest consumer. At the same time, we're trying to make it hard for the bad guys who are trying to disrupt that experience. Well, you know, it actually all starts with what we call our IR ecosystem. So with this single key here, we can operate a whole range of product security devices, whether it's security of products on display, it could be merchandise in locked cabinets, it could be on peg hooks or different types of package protection. But whatever it is, we use the same key to operate all of that. And it's super easy to use. So you can have one key per code per store, so you have that security. You can have access to who's interacting with which things when, so we can do a hot audit log. And at the end of the day, what we're really trying to solve for is trying to not have to carry a bunch of these around, because you've seen this around, it's like a janitor. We can equip the sales associates with one simple key.
Jeff, as director in innovation, you're probably a great person to ask, how do you see the future? Where do you see retailing in 5 years?
Well, you know what's exciting about retail is it's a rapidly changing landscape. I've been in this business for 7 years. It's changed a lot in that time. I think the next 7 years we'll see the same amount of change. But predominantly what you're seeing is a shift going away from sort of fixed point of sale and more towards mobile point of sale. Associates are trying to get to the action where the customers are shopping, and they want to make sure they can convert a moment of decision into a moment of purchase. So all of our technology and services help provide that ability for an associate to interact with the customer, get them excited, educate them on something they feel like they need, and then close the sale right in the moment.
What's next for InVue?
Well, we're going to keep doing what we're doing now, but we're going to have a bigger focus on alignment with brands, increasing our software and services portfolio to augment our hardware, and then also just getting into a lot of different channels. So we're in core retail today, but we're getting into banking, hospitality, restaurants, and other exciting businesses.
Jeff Grant, Director of Product Innovation, thank you for taking the time to speak with us today.
Thanks for having me.